Namaste, friends. Recently, I visited one of the malls in Mumbai and I saw something that is very dangerous to personally identified information, which is also known as PII data, which is related to privacy of the people. We were at food court in this mall, and many people who ordered food items were carrying a receipt, like one which I'm trying to show on this screen. It has bill amount details along with the shop details, along with the person's name who ordered that food item and the contact mobile number printed on it. I observed that many of us are not even reading if our personal information is written on such receipts or any of such papers, and we just throw it in the plate or leave it on the table, and we just leave the table or the food court like this. Someone might be collecting and reading those receipts and might start spam calls to you or your family. For example, one of the younger couples sitting beside our table kept the receipt in the food tray, like shown on the screen, and left the food court. Someone might have observed that couple, how they were talking to each other, what is their age group, what is their dressing sense, and are they talking friendly or they were worried about each other. So much information were visible if you observe this couple carefully. Now, this receipt, along with the phone number and the person's name, might be that male's number is specified or might be that female's number is specified, is giving lot of data or the information about them, and someone can start calling them or that number by studying this entire data, and he can make some relevant information on the call, and it can start the spams or frauds. Remember, criminal mindset people can easily study your family sitting around you at food court or similar kind of places, and with this contact information they can perform fraud with your family. Another way to collect your name, mobile number, address, or different information, which is again PII data. Many places have lucky draw, and people do fill out their information on a small paper and they put it in a box. And that box has lot of personal information if it reaches to the cyber criminals. Be aware of such tricks and techniques. Data privacy is crucial to every human being, especially when there is a rising cybercrimes. Personally identified information (PII) refers to any data that can be used to identify a specific individual. And there are two types of PII data. One is direct identifier data, one is indirect identifier data. Full name, your passport information, your email address, your phone are direct identifiers, while as the zip code, the geographic location, date of birth, gender, or race can be indirect identifier. The Digital Personal Data Protection (DPDP) Act 2023 is India's legislative framework aimed to protecting personal data and ensuring the people's privacy. And this DPDP Act actually focuses on safeguarding the personal data of Indian citizens by setting clear rules for businesses and organizations, including shops and every such organization, on how to collect, store, and use this personal information. If you are willing to share your contact number or name with such food counters or any such related places, the first thing is that it is your decision. You must recall DPDP Act we have in India. It is your choice whether to share your personal information with them or not. Secondly, always tear down or take your printed receipt with you instead of throwing it in tray or elsewhere. It is better to not throw it directly in the dustbin. Tear it properly so as your name, your personal information is not visible or not easily identified on in the dustbin also. Remember, Do not share your contact information with anyone, even dustbins. Dustbins are a good source of information for cyber criminals. If you found this video valuable and can help your friends and family, please do share it with them. Do subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Thank you.